Oh, how I love those easy breezy days of summer, and I love wearing dresses. But I gotta say, and of course it's my own opinion, that not all dresses look great on women over 50. So what I wanna do right now is get right into this video, which in my opinion is mistake number 1. Wearing a dress that's just too tight. Even with shapewear, if the dress is too tight, pass on wearing it. A dress should skim your body, and a great choice for the dress is one like this one. It's a wraparound, and I especially like this style because if I haven't worn this dress for a while, a wraparound can be adjusted to give me a little bit more room in the waist. And that comes in handy for many of us. This wraparound dress is just $29, available in lots of other colors and perfect for many occasions. And as usual, I'll have most of the good dresses that I'm modeling for you in the video description and also in the first comment. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you're not only going to find dresses there, but you're going to find great shoes, great sandals, and also great accessories. But for now, let's get on with mistake number 2. This is all about big, bold prints and how sometimes the print, like this one, walks into the room before you do. Now, graphics are trending, but a graphic like this one is just too big and overwhelming. If you want to choose a pattern, perhaps a simple polka dotted kind of pattern or a smaller floral like the one I'm wearing to host this video, it would be less loud. And this pattern, the polka dotted one, because it's on a black background, actually makes me look slimmer than that of the big print. And at just $45, it's a great, easy, breezy choice for summer. And you can tack up the slit a little bit if you want to show less leg. And if you like fashion and styling videos like this one, made by a woman who may be closer to your age, I would love, love, love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. Oh, and don't forget to click on the notification bell because if you don't, you probably won't be seeing my newest videos. But for now, let's get on to mistake number 3. Big florals that look like grandma's curtains not only make you look bigger, but because of the pattern, you kind of look old lady-ish. Better to find a dress with a smaller floral pattern. And this is the same style as the polka dotted one I just showed you. And again, it's around $45 and it goes up to size 2XL. And remember, you can tack up the slit if you don't want to show that much leg. Oh, and by the way, this dress comes in almost 20 different colors and patterns, so check them out. I love this dress so much that I bought 3 of them. And remember, on those easy breezy days, you don't always want to be holding your dress down, because of the wind. It's always a good idea to have a pair of these cotton shorts. And these you get 4 of them in different colors. And, the black one's nice for black dresses and that sort of thing. And they're like $25 for 4 of them, and they're very stretchy. And also, another good thing about them is a lot of times in the summertime, right, we have bare legs. So this also helps to prevent the chafing, on the thighs. So it's a great investment. And don't forget, know your measurements, especially your bust measurements for ordering dresses. And always, when you go into the size chart for the manufacturer, check and make sure you're getting the right size because a medium is not a medium right across the board. And now we're on tip number 4. One thing about the summer is many times we get invited to a wedding. But please avoid wearing a white dress and avoid wearing a black one too, especially if you're the mother of the groom. Being dressed in black gives a bad vibe to the new bride. Better to pick a lovely, lacy navy dress like this one And last time I checked, it was 24% off for just around $53. It's also mostly cotton and in 8 colors. I picked navy because it's so slimming, and I also love the lacy detail and the fact that it is lined. And don't forget to stay until the end of this video where I'm going to have a summary inspirational video message for you. Oh, and don't forget, if you want to get swimsuit ready, you might want to check out my body health guide, and all you have to do is go to www.agewellwithheather.com. Don't forget the www and click on more info. But for now, let's go to the next tip. Hiding away under a dress with no shape, especially a black dress, is a huge mistake. Hey, I get it. You want to hide your shape, but you're actually looking bigger than you actually are. And you're also feeling probably in that color blah and boring, especially in the summertime. What you want to do is maybe the exact opposite. Hey, live a little and maybe choose a fun dress like this one, and maybe even dare to wear red. This beauty shows a feminine silhouette, and it's available in 20 different colors, and it's 100% cotton. Plus it's also lined. You can choose how you look and feel in the future, and I truly think this is a great summertime choice. And talking about summertime choices, some of us who, are really looking forward to summertime because of our climate, if we don't sort of plan to do something, before we know it, Labor Day arrives. And yes, it's important that during the summer, you maybe just kick back at home and you putter around in the garden and maybe just sit back on the deck sometimes and have a cold drink. But summertime is made for playing. Make sure you start planning now to be with friends and family, and how about those grandchildren? Make sure that you say, hey, how is August for you? How's July for you? And also invite people over to your home if you've got a big backyard especially. At our home, we have croquet games, we have that cornhole game, and we even put up badminton nets. And not only is it fun, I'll also put the links for those in the video description as well. Not only is it fun, but it's giving you some exercise too. And speaking about exercise, don't forget, pickleball is really popular. You may want to seek that out. And one of the things we like to do is around where we live, there are public tennis courts. There's certain times of the day that you can play tennis. That is a great exercise. Oh, and another thing that we do right about now is we're getting our bikes tuned up, and we're also getting those tires inflated to hit the bike trails. And what is so important is that you're doing something in the summertime, and you're not just turning over the calendar and it's September already and you go, where did all the time go? So whether you're using a paper day timer as I do, and actually I would love to know in the comments if you're still using one of those journaling paper day timers. I'd love to know that. Or maybe you're using the phone and you just do reminders. Whatever it is, make sure you're booking up, especially those weekends, to be with your kids, with relatives, with the grandchildren, with friends. And for me, man, it's just another way to be loving our age.